Hello everyone, Andy here. So today we're going to talk about Breakfast at Tiffany's from Deep Blue Something. It's a song from the 90s, a really cool song. And I play this all the time, even with my band or even when I'm gigging solo. So I came up with this guitar solo part where you can play the solo and the rhythm part at the same time, okay? So if you're an acoustic singer solo, stick around, this might help you. If this is your first time to play the song, yeah, stick around also, this will also help you. All right, so let's start. It's in the key of D major. Next chord is G major and A major, okay? So if I'm sure you heard the song already, it starts with the D major. That part is a D major, and then that's an open E string, and then back to D. Okay, so next part is that part is a D sus with your pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, then release that to back to D, and then a D with an open E string, and emphasize that 2nd string 3rd fret where your 3rd finger is. So it'll sound like this. Like that. That is leading towards G major. That's like da da da. And then A major. So strumming pattern. So I'm just doing that's the intro, and also the chorus for the verse. So the verse, same thing. You'll say that we got nothing in common, no common ground to start from. All right, so those are the verses. Now towards the chorus. Same thing, the last line to go away leading to the chorus. Oh, you just don't care. Same thing. Now, the chord progression for the chorus is still D. This time, it's A and then G. The verses was B, G, A. This time, the chorus is B, A, G. So, said, what about breakfast at Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the filming. And I said, well, that's the one thing you got. Alright, that's the end of the chorus towards the guitar solo, which is what this video is about, okay? So, the one thing you got. Let me break that down for you. It starts with the end of G. You're gonna have to play that G string, and then try to 1, 2, 3 G string, and then 4th fret 4th string. That's an F sharp, and then hammer on 2, 4 on the 4th string, and then open string. It sounds like this. Then you continue with D major. So, and then make a shape of G, but you're gonna emphasize the fifth string, that B note, and then a D string, and then A with a third finger on the C sharp. That's a fourth fret of the fifth string. So, but your first finger is making an A shape. Okay, so the whole thing will sound like this. One thing you got. There you go. And then it will play an octave with some variation. You have to. Sorry. I use my pinky. So from A, use my pinky. That's inside the shape of D major. See, so from and then a G major to A. That G major is a three-finger G with an open B string. And then third fret, second string, and then A shape. There you go. Okay, so here we go from the start of the recap. And it leads towards the third verse. I see you. Third or second verse. The only one you knew me. The rust still see through me. Wrong lyrics, but that's okay. I don't want to get copyrighted here. So yeah, that is what I do when I play it live. And I repeat it in the second guitar solo. It's just the same thing. So, I mean, there are variations with that second guitar solo, but for me, when I do it live, I just repeat. So just have fun with it. Just feel it, right? I do. Hope this helps you out. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.